Kiyana Kelina show here, and
I'm Kelina.
Yep, we're in the rain. That's Kelina over there. And today we're gonna be outside in the rain. I don't know, passing basketball, doing boring things, because it is raining outside and there's nothing to do. So. She's using our grandma.
Yeah,
to get popcorn. Oh yeah, I always go to my grandma's house. Our grandma lives behind us.
Yeah.
I always go to the house to eat.
Yeah.
She has really good food.
Yeah. She has the best food in the universe. Not a bad thing, everybody.
And she gets really good ice cream.
Yeah.
We get good food too, but like, yeah. Actually, we get good food too, but we just like going there.
We just like getting ice cream and hanging out with our noggin.
Shout out to Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah. You could have broke the car.
Okay, so yesterday, the day before yesterday, we were outside in the rain, and we ran the ball, went into the street, and like 3 times, and the ball when I was going to the street and there's no cars passing. It was hilarious.
Yeah, it came back.
Oh yeah. Also, guys, leave us a comment of your favorite thing to do outside in the rain, and then we'll put it on our next show.
We'll say your name on your show.
If the camera shuts off, just that means because the camera we're using is like it's not really a good camera because it just shuts off after so much time. So if it shuts off, we'll just see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe and comment. There's a lot of cars passing today, so that means like I don't know that we can't have the ball going to the street at all.
Yeah.
Or the ball's bye-bye, and the cars might crash, and that's bad.
Okay. Kiyana Kelina show is on in 5, 6, 6, 7, boom, y'all. You're gonna warn me.
What are you talking about, Kiyana?
No, I said Kiyana Kelina on every day. So I'm trying to say that the ball was giving me a crush.
We're actually uploading a video as we do this. There's a video recording, uploading from our good camera in the house. If you see me just randomly running, that means I'm chasing the ball. If I just automatically leave, it means I'm chasing the ball. Not live, but people just saw my finger get broken. My pinky hurts so bad. You didn't just see that coming through the body. There's an airplane. There's so many times, remember, that it was just amazing.
Cool. Go to me.
Hold on a minute, guys. I gotta see how much more.